Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will undertake an exciting recycling project, creating a simple heater from components of an old induction cooker. First, I will disassemble the induction cooker to extract the induction heating coil and the control circuit board. These are the core components used to regulate power for the heater. However, I will only keep the induction heating coil and the aluminum heatsink, while completely discarding the circuit board to simplify the setup. After that, I will disassemble two buzzer speakers to extract their small magnets. These magnets will be repurposed for the next steps of the assembly. Next up, I will proceed to disassemble the cooling fan. Once the cooling fan is removed, I'm going to repurpose a cutting blade to serve as a holder for the magnets. Now, I'll be using 3 long bolts to create a support bracket stand for the induction coil. Now, I'm going to assemble all the finished components to complete the heating device. Everything is ready for the final assembly. Now, I'm going to add the cooling fan. This is a crucial component that helps circulate the air and push the warm air flow out. And finally, following all our fabrication efforts, I invite you to join me as we activate and witness the device's operational capabilities in a real-world setting. That wraps up today's product. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss our latest videos.